To see a list of the archived Microsoft Teams on your list, all you need to do is log into the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop and then just go under the Teams area where you can see all your Microsoft Teams. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to just click on the three little dots and you're going to go under the Manage Teams option right here. Once you select Manage Teams, it's going to show you your archived teams down here at the bottom. You can see there's 5 here. So what I can do is click on the little arrow to expand the list. I can see the list of teams that have been archived here. And if I would like to restore those teams, over on the far right, there's going to be 3 little dots there. So I can just select the 3 little dots and choose to restore the team, and it'll take that team out of the archive state and restore it back into my list of Microsoft Teams here. So if you do want to salvage any of your Microsoft Teams, that's the way you do it.